Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer projects from Asana to monday.com, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer projects from Asana to monday.com, first, log into your Asana account. Locate the project you want to transfer. Next, click on the three dots in the project header for more options. Select Export from the drop-down menu. Then, choose CSV as the export format. Once the CSV file is downloaded, open your monday.com account. Go to the workspace where you want to import the Asana project. Click on the plus add button to create a new board. Choose Import from Excel as the option. Now, upload the CSV file you just downloaded from Asana. Follow the prompts to map the fields from your CSV to the columns in monday.com. Review the data to ensure everything aligns correctly. If required, make adjustments to the column types in monday.com. Once satisfied, click Import to finalize the process. Your project will now appear in monday.com, ready for you to customize further. Verify that all tasks, due dates, and assignees transferred properly. You can now begin using your project in monday.com. Explore the various features monday.com offers for project management. Adjust settings and notifications to fit your workflow needs. Your transition from Asana to monday.com is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.